Hello friends. In this tutorial, I would like to tell and show you how to draw Simba. I promise you that you will have a great time drawing this cute character. Don't worry if you are still an aspiring artist with no experience. This tutorial is specially designed for beginners and kids. Let's start. Step 1. Draw the outline of the lion's head. Note that Simba's head looks larger than his torso. Draw this using a curved line. Step 2. Add the outline of the hair. Depict the slightly tousled crest on the character's forehead. Step 3. Sketch out Simba's ears. Draw them on either side of the lion's head. One ear is almost covered by the head. Step 4. Depict the outline of the torso. Draw this using two curved lines below the character's head. Step 5. Draw the outline of Simba's paws. Sketch out the front legs straight using curved lines, and draw the hind legs bent. Step 6. Add the tail and chest lines. Draw the lion's chest in a curved line and add the thin tail with the fluffy tassel at the end. Step 7. Sketch out the eyes. Depict Simba's eyes are large, wide open, and looking upward using curved lines. Step 8. Add details. Sketch out the rest of the face and the inside of the ear. Step 9. Color the drawing. Use orange, beige, yellow, shades of brown, black, and pink. Well done! Now you can draw another character. Hope you enjoyed Simba drawing tutorial. If you liked the lesson, share this video with your friends. Don't forget to press your thumb up, press the bell and subscribe to the channel.